Engineered flooring layers separating is a total pain, but you can fix it without losing your mind or dropping a ton of cash. So, if you notice your engineered hardwood floors starting to peel or the layers coming apart, don't freak out. First up, check if there's moisture messing with the wood, because water is usually the biggest culprit. Keep your home humidity steady, around 30 to 50%, to avoid warping or separation. If you spot a small gap or layer starting to lift, you can try pressing it back down with some weights and glue made for wood repairs. Another thing is to never let spills sit for hours. Wipe them up quick so water doesn't seep in and ruin the layers. Also, avoid super harsh cleaning products, since they can mess with the finish and make the layers separate faster. If your floors are older and the damage is bad, you might want to call a pro who knows how to fix or replace the damaged parts without making a bigger mess. Lastly, regular maintenance like sweeping and using floor protectors under furniture can save you from future headaches. One of the biggest mistakes with engineered flooring layer separation is ignoring moisture issues. People often overlook how important controlling humidity is, so fix that by using humidifiers or dehumidifiers if needed. Another common problem is using the wrong cleaning methods. Harsh chemicals or too much water can break down the glue layers, so stick to gentle cleaners and dry mops. The third issue is skipping regular inspections and maintenance, which means small problems turn into big ones. Just take a few minutes every month to check for any signs of damage and deal with them early. BigHomeProjects.com is awesome because it connects homeowners with trusted local contractors who really know their stuff about flooring and other home fixes. Plus, it helps contractors find legit work from people who need their skills without all the usual hassle.